Combining the figure eight and the around the wrist or wrist roll. In order to do this move, you need to already have the one-handed figure eight and the around the wrist. I'll put links in the description or in the top right hand corner. So what you're going to do is, as you're doing the figure eight, you're going to come to your one side, and then before you would where you would normally come across the body, you are instead going to do an around the wrist, and then you're going to continue towards the other side. If your around the wrist is normally over the wrist and towards the left, like so, then you'll be doing that around the wrist along your right hand side. If it is normally over to the right, then you'll do this on the left hand side. Once you can do the around the wrist on both sides, you can do it on back-to-back figure eights. This does, however, require you to be consistent about how far along the bow your around the wrists travel. So if you start this far from the middle of the bow and you do your around the wrist, it should still be the same distance from the middle, just on the other side. This should be the same regardless of which way your around the wrist is going. This allows you to do them in quick succession without the bow falling out of balance. Thanks for watching the end of the video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave any suggestions or questions in the comments below, and check out and subscribe to my channel for more videos.